somewhere's electricity line.
Or north of us. There's fleets on all different highways.
Wow, there's more there. Golly, that's a long line. Look at that. Wow. Alright, go. Teamwork. You can make it. Probably they're going to... No, there's another way going to Temple, right? Not just this one. There's more.
Different company.
Different company. It's still power line company. And this is what happened after the big storm. We never have this water before here before the rain. Now we got a Marlin Lake. It's a huge. It's huge. It's supposed to be just filled in there. Now it's all water. And also the other side. On the other side, yeah. And also the other side. It's all water. Oh, cool.
You can play with that stuff in the house today when it's raining.
Golly, look, that's all water. Yeah, that's what that happens after the big rain, baby. It's like we have lake now, huh? Yup. Almost cannot see the fence. The fence is covered with water. There's
stragglers.
Yeah, those orange tracks. Those
Stop.
are electric company cars. Look what happened here. That was after the big rain and tornado hit this place. Golly. Yeah, it hit this place really hard.
So I drove with it.
Yeah, goodness me, look at the big tree. Golly. Imagine that. It was a big one. Wow. There's another one over there on that other side. That's a very old tree. Gosh. Look at that tree over there. It was struck by the lightning probably. And look at that's the aftermath after the tornado hits here in this place a couple days ago.
This was last night. What?
And last night as well.
There was a side that's
Now you know why I wanted to cut down that big limb over top.
the trees down.
Well, that wind we were feeling last night, I was hitting here.
Yeah. And we're not even on the like where the tornado really happened. It's just a tail or just the very edge of the tornado, and it's still a disaster.